Hello, my name is Jianjie Binder. I am R&D engineer of Jianjie Group. My main work content of every day is to carry out a variety of binder product testing. When our R&D team receive the raw materials sent by the customer, we will hold a meeting and discuss together to formulate binder to meet the customer's requirements. Jianjie Binder are divided into organic binders and composite binders. They have their own special properties due to their water-soluble property. In the process using, first of all, they must mix with raw materials evenly. If the binder cannot be evenly distributed in the raw materials, then if the surface of material can't contact with the binder, there will be no viscosity. Besides, the dosage of water is also a very critical element. The moisture of the material itself cannot fully dissolve the binder, so in the briquetting process extra water can play a key role. After adding water, please leave enough time for the mixture to react. If the binder and the raw material are not fully contact, it will not achieve the best results. Also, the dosage of binder should be precise enough. If the calcium oxide in the raw material is not completely digested, then make sure to use a calcium oxide resistant binder. If there is any unsolvable problem in the process of using, please feel free to contact us. We will surely make the best solution for you.